Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Melon Baller. Features 2 scooping ends in different sizes. Sturdy, stainless steel heads. Soft, comfortable handle. Ideal for fruit salads, garnishes and desserts. The OXO Better Guarantee: if you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with OXO to repair or replace it. OXO is grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience and will make it better. Excellent and very handy gadget. This melon baller is great to handle as it has a bit of weight behind it and a good grip. I used it for starters on Christmas Day and found it easy and fast to prepare the melon balls. I have also discovered that it is perfect for cutting out the tops of sponge buns to make fairy cakes. It will also come in handy for sugarcraft with the fondant icing. Dipped in icing sugar first to prevent sticking. Very sturdy. I have used it to ball potatoes and it worked perfectly. So glad I returned the previous one I purchased. Came together with the melon slicer in a box. This is indeed worth the money. I will rather have one product that works than two that don't. What can I say? Was looking for a quality product but at a reasonable price. Got both. Does the trick every time. Very sharp edges and makes perfectly shaped little balls. Nice fun way to serve up melons rather than just slice and go. Adds a little variety when you eat them as often as we do. Great service too. Highly recommend.